there, it's Ashley from WTI.
This necklace from AINUOSHI is absolutely beautiful. It's dainty and perfect for a gift or adding a touch of sparkle to any outfit. It's made from 925 sterling silver and it has a 1.26 karat lab created moissanite, giving it a stunning diamond-like brilliance. The infinity twist is beautiful. It's adjustable also from 16 to 20 inches. And so I like that I can wear this with a nice V-neck, or if you want, you can adjust it wearing it higher up with a different outfit. So it's really versatile. It also includes a GRA certificate for authenticity, ensuring the quality. It's elegant and affordable, making it a standout gift for a special someone or to just treat yourself. I love that I can wear this dressed up to a wedding or more casual, like going out to dinner. I would absolutely recommend this for anyone looking for a really nice necklace.
And that's my point of view.